Well, some years back I made this folding table for outside, and it's been sitting out there for a number of years. Well, it broke. Here's how that folding table works. Something like that, you can carry it. Anyhow, rather than put a whole new top on it, I thought I might reattach this. And the way I figure I'm going to attach this is I'm going to try some dowels. And the reason for that is because I got this Kreg Drilling guide the other day. It was on sale for $7 at Lowe's. So I thought I'd give this a try. So this fits real nice on 3/4 inch wood, which is what this top is. I happen to have a bunch of dowels, and they happen to be, what are they? Oh, 5/16. I happen to have a drill bit that's 5/16. I have a pencil, some glue. So I'm going to try this out and see how that works out. So what I'll do is make a few marks where I'm going to put pencil's not going to work. I'll make some marks. Oh, I thought I meant to make my marks a little more precise. Ah, that's better. So we can give this Kreg jig a fair shake. Now we'll start drilling the holes. I've got my broken off piece in the vise, in there marked. And then for the 5/16, I've got it lined up. This mark with this mark, of course. Now this is my dowel. So we want to go about half, plus a little more. That should do it. Close enough. Well, I've got the other part all clamped down now, the mating piece, so let's give it a shot. So just to see how we lined up, I'll try one here. Well, it lined up. I think I have to go deeper though. No problem. Hey, it worked. The edges lined up. All right, so I'll go down the line again with this. We'll finish it up. Well, a little change in plans. I had to put a hole in the center here of these two pieces of wood because it didn't, this Kreg jig didn't fit beyond these two pieces of wood, and I didn't want to take the piece off. So I'm going to go with three dowels, and I did the same here. Instead of going, I had to put an additional one in here. But that said, dry fit. And it works. So, that's good. And I just elongated them ever so slightly. The holes fits better. That wasn't a function of the jig combination, but serves my purpose for quick and dirty fix here for $7. Not bad. So we'll glue her up and we'll go from there. Well, we'll check back in about an hour or so. But I'd say that's success. Well, good morning. It's the next morning. More than enough time for this to set up. Let's see what we have here. Well, I guess it worked. No, it worked. I'll put my folding table back in business here. It's still warped, that one. The dowels and all that didn't factor into that. It's still going to be warped. But I'll refinish it, put it back out in the sun. The Kreg Drilling guide for $7 or $9 depending. Served its purpose. Not bad, not bad at all. Another thing to put in the toolbox. Well, thanks for watching. Hope that helped and gave you an idea or two what you can do with this. See you on my next project.